Okay, so how you can create a chipmunk effect in Adobe Audition. So yeah, let's just test this. I'm just gonna play record and just create a very nice record. 1, 2, 3, record, test how to make chipmunk effect. Yellow, yellow, welcome, welcome. I don't know what that means. So yeah, now I'm just gonna pause this and I have this recording here. Now I can go to effects, and here in effects I need to go to time and patch, and here we have patch shifter. And now as you can hear, if I play this and I change to 10, let's play. Now what if minus 10? Let's increase the volume so you can hear better.
Yellow, yellow, welcome, welcome.
I don't know what it means. So yeah, now I'm just gonna.
So yeah, I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.